Hello, my name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to be talking about examples of form follows function. As a concept simplified, this means that an object's appearance or form should relate to the intended function. So for a real-life example of this, we have the nail polish brush. While it, for the most part, follows the shape and design of a traditional paintbrush, the bristles are kept much shorter and closer packed, which allows the nail to be more evenly coated, and the smaller size keeps it from getting on your skin much, if at all. As the function is to paint the nails, there isn't much more necessary to the design. All that you really need is the handle for the person using it to hold, and then, of course, the brush to collect and coat the nails with the polish. This concept of form following function is true for websites as well. And a good example that I found of this is Netflix. This is probably the most popular streaming site, and it keeps its website design pretty simple. The second you're logged in, you're greeted with any of the entertainment you could be looking for. They do have the games now, but you scroll down and it's just what feels like an endless stream of content, all separated by categories and any sort of interests you may have. The function of the website is pretty straightforward and clear. You're coming here to watch shows, searching for something new that you might find. So they don't really need to do anything more than getting you straight into the content. Though it can definitely feel overwhelming seeing that there's this much available and can give you kind of a choice paralysis. The site overall, with their design, is not very cluttered. Everything is really straightforward, streamlined, easy to navigate. You've got anything up here that's, again, narrowing your search for what you want to watch. So the focus or the function of this website is pretty straightforward. It's about the entertainment, and the form really complements that. Again, everything is streamlined, separated well. You're brought right to what you can be looking for. So you don't have to waste any time trying to go through a bunch of hoops to get to the shows you want to watch. So I hope these examples, both in real life and in terms of website design, were able to pretty well communicate the concept of form following function. And thank you so much for joining me again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.